Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Looks like I'm naked. I'm not. I'm wearing a tank top. If you're new here, my name is Summer and I do makeup videos. Today I'm going to be doing a quick summer look to go run errands, go barbecue, go shopping. Just a quick, glowy summer look. So if you're interested in how I got this look, keep on watching. As always, I've already washed, moisturized, and put sunscreen on. So we're gonna go, oh my god, directly into primer. And this is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. I've been wanting to try this for so long and I finally got it. So anyway, we're gonna take a little bit and just kind of like warm it up. And then just apply it like a moisturizer. So for summer, you want to do, if you're going to be out in the heat, you definitely want to do kind of a light makeup. You could do a full face, but me, if it's going to be really hot outside, I like to do kind of just like light makeup that I'm not going to be like sweating. So this is going to be just a quick makeup look using the Rare Beauty light weightless touch foundation, and this is in the shade 210N. Now this foundation I'm doing a full review on and it should be up Friday, but it is a serum foundation, medium coverage, it is buildable. So yeah, we're just gonna go in with this, and then you want to make sure that it's very nicely blended into the skin. So I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender. This has been my favorite way to blend foundation for years now, just because it really keeps the skin hydrated. A very quick, like 10-minute makeup. And this foundation is buildable, so you can definitely add layers where you need it. And so for me, I'm just going to go in a little bit where I have some imperfections. And just blend that in. It's definitely not going to be full coverage, like you can still kind of see that. But it does a really good job at just kind of evening out the skin tone. And of course, if you want more coverage, you can always spot conceal or go with more of a full coverage foundation. It's getting really hot here, so I don't like wearing a whole lot of makeup when it's really hot, just because it feels like it's melting off my skin. I just don't like it. And then I do like to use my concealer as primer, and this is the Giorgio Armani face and under eye concealer in the shade 4. So this concealer is so sheer, like it's luminous, and it just leaves such a nice finish to the skin. It's not going to be full coverage, it's more of like a highlighter. It's very light under the eye too, it doesn't crease. Just want to make sure that everything is blended. And you just want to make sure that everything is nice and blended, because even if it's just light makeup, you want to make sure everything looks nice. So I am going to set everything today. So I'm using the Too Faced Ethereal setting powder. because I have to set everything, especially if it's hot outside. I don't want this to move. And I want to give it like the most staying power that it can. So once that's set, I'm going to go in with Hoola bronzer. And so we're going to go in with Hoola bronzer. I'm just going to bronze up face. And this will just kind of bring our face back to life, and it's going to give us that nice glowy look, like we've been tanning, but not really, because we don't want to get wrinkles. And then I like to make my brush like super skinny with any leftovers or leftover powder, and just kind of do like a really light cheating contour of the nose. And I also kind of skip around, so next I'm gonna go with my eyes, and I'm just using the same bronzer in Hoola, and that is by Benefit, by the way. And I'm just applying that to the crease, and this is just gonna give us like a more put together look. Super easy. It's like my favorite thing to do, just doing bronzer in the crease. Okay, next we're gonna do eyebrows, and I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and this is in soft brown. This is just kind of to shape them up. And just fill them in where I'm missing a little bit of shape. And I just like to do feathery light strokes, just to make them look like the most natural, but nicely shaped. And then I like to kind of brush that through with the little spoolie. And then to set that, we're gonna do Gimme Brow by Benefit. And this is the one that has the tint, number 3. Okay, next we're gonna do mascara. And I'm just gonna use the Benefit, if I can find it, the Benefit Better Than Sex mascara, because it gives you such a nice lifted look. And I like to start at the bottom of my lashes and just kind of wiggle it, then go up. And this just kind of gives it like more lift and volume. And again, we're going for a very natural, like summer look. Okay, then for blush, I'm going in with the Galifornia by Benefit blush. It's just like this very nice corally summer blush. The only thing I don't like about this blush is that, well, for one, it's really scented. It smells like perfume, and it kind of dissipates throughout the day after you've had it on for a little bit, but sometimes it doesn't. What I love about the blush is that it's very glowy. It's perfect for summer, like just absolutely perfect. Has a built-in kind of shimmer. It's not like glittery, it's just kind of like this really nice shimmer. And it just kind of gives your skin such a nice glow. And yes, I love blush, and I love blush on my nose. I just feel like it gives it such a nice sunny look, like you've been out in the sun. And then this, I don't know if it's still being sold, but this stuff is so good. It's by Jaclyn Hill. I know that there's been controversy around her. I love Jaclyn Hill. When I first started learning how to do makeup, because my mom, she is a very natural girl. So she never really wore makeup until she was like 40. So I had to teach myself pretty much. I started watching Jaclyn Hill in 2012, and I learned so much from her. She taught me so much. I'm forever grateful. And yeah, I still follow her. I still love her. And so this is, I've supported her too with like her line. So this is Carats. It's the Luminous powder by Jaclyn Hill. It's not a highlight, it's a luminous powder, and I just put like a little bit on the lid, swirl it. This is her brush because it's amazing, and then I just like put it on the skin. It's not a highlight, so it's not going to be overpowering, which is what I love for summer. And it just, you can put it all over your cheek too. Like, it doesn't have to be just in like the high points of the face. And it just gives you like a glow from within. Honestly, that's how she marketed it, and that is honestly how I would describe it. Like, see? Ugh, it's just beautiful. And I mean, you can definitely overdo it, like if you do a lot, but for the most part, it just goes on so smooth. I'm like putting it all over. But I just love it. It's like, it's the best. And then I'm gonna try out my new lipstick by MAC. And to be fair, it's not, I've owned this shade before. It's kind of sexy. And this one is like perfect for summer because it's like corally, and then you can put gloss over it if you'd like. I'm not gonna put gloss over it. I'm just gonna leave it like that because I really like it. It's a really nice corally shade. And then to set everything, because we're gonna be outside kind of most of the day, I am going to set with the Morphe continuous setting mist, and this is going to lock it in, and that is it. Super simple, super easy makeup look. Makes you look glowy, put together, and this is the final look. It's just very glowy, just very like been out in the sun. I keep saying that, but that's literally what this look is like. Summer look, 10 minutes, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys like makeup, subscribe, follow me. All my social media will be linked in the description box. I post twice a week. I try to do Tuesday and Friday. This Friday, I'll be doing a full review on the Rare Beauty foundation, so keep an eye out for that. I just love this lipstick, you guys. Again, this is by MAC, and it's kind of sexy. So yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.